Me catch us. Me problem na so say.
Me so better me and I want me.
He said he gave you $50,000 and you are telling me that you haven't seen it.
I think you should call and ask. Seriously.
Get out!
No make a vest for your top right now.
Young man, do I look like a soft mommy to you?
It be you.
Would you shut up before I slap you?
Andy Obi, I have from a daughter. You ask me ever to yai. A brand new deal, what? So, you bear man, as a what the fuck, what to what is so. Maybe Boba, what it. But it's so I give it to what you know. No go feel it. No go feel it. It's what I mean. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Understand music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Make like you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Yazim yeba tu yai. A brand new deal, what? So you bear man, as a what the fuck, what to what is so. Maybe Boba, what it. But it's so I give it to what you know. No go feel it. No go feel it. It's what I mean. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Understand music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Make like you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu yempre wate. Udi see ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu. Ya shisema wa ubesu. No go feel it. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hey, Debbie, Friday, mama.
Huh?
Mother, mammy.
Oh, Debbie, a summer abano. And yes, Cassam. A summer abano. Yanka is sick. I will prune in a boy. Prophetess woman or Shanna womp. Send a good in a job again. You have a man child. A buffobia or dear boss only demon. Yamin,
then your pet was so them.
Make wedding, make a train a meaning.
I'll go change a man to a friend or no appointment.
Make a boat person here to my back or so. Che, the one again in your brain. Make us a match low. Make us a mass a won't fat, men I'm tattoo. Make us again a beya, and your ban, ye needs no parking. When I'm gay, so gay or your or bit me Johnny. Let me know me and your twerky. Miss Slow.
And Manea, and soon a minute, Kofi, you rather. Na yafa wabi. Nyenye bia meba wa ba bekache.
Mate.
Ai nai.
Mate.
Adwuma de me grudge me.
Am I a show?
Allah, Sariki one. Allah, lawyer. Lawyer. Sariki me ke commando rugo. Lawyer one. Sariki bo. Wallahi, your suit, your sorry, I don't know. Sariki.
Correct. Pressure day, I beg you, pressure day.
Pressure day.
You know this guy? Do you know this guy in any way? Do you know this guy?
Make I see, Sariki, make I see.
No, I want to show you well. Make us zoom the face. Do you know this guy? If you know him, you know him. If you no go carry put angle, you.
Sariki, I don't know.
He did the same job you are doing.
I don't know.
It's in the same way.
Sariki, me, I know be seller. I don't know the boy. I don't know him.
Maybe the frauding you put the defraud. He acts blind and collects people's money.
Sariki.
You don't know him?
I say I no be seller. I don't know the guy. I don't know him.
Listen, this guy has taken something very important from me.
But you said give me the movement I get give that girls me I get the girls on click. I they make the girls that go to the radio station self they go do their movement for things to them things they can do. And they do.
I understand. Forget those Sankwas girls. This guy has stolen my money. And this money doesn't even belong to me. $5,400. What hurts me is not the $5,000, but the $400 on top of the money.
Sariki.
What?
So you get $5,400 for your day. $400 with me at the sale, $100 self buy something then start business. Sariki, you don't give me.
Listen,
Sariki,
listen, this is not charity money. This is real money. It belongs to my boss. And if I don't get this money, my job is on the line. You know my money. I need to find this money. You need to get the money for me. You need to find this guy for my money to come. That's what you need to understand. I need to get this money.
Hey, Jemana, yeah, like for the dinner.
What?
Saka for the dinner. Ah!
Listen.
Sariki!
Oh,
you won't find me, Sariki. Relax. So why you touch me? Relax. Sariki, why?
I just...
Oh, no.
It's overvoting. Just calm down.
Can I take the banner? Come on.
But... What am I sorry?
Maybe respect I'll give you.
Listen, relax.
I don't know the guy, Sariki.
Relax. Calm down. You and me, they go way back. Secondary school. Why you do
that? Oh, yeah. If you know.
We just need to find a guy. Because the money... I go give you some like you chop. Yeah, you be fine, boy. I'll make you fine. You go the cruise car and things. You need to help me out, Yaro.
You print the picture for paper top.
Print?
Can't give me.
Print. Let me just WhatsApp it to you.
Oh no. Me, my baby mama, they worry me so. Me I close WhatsApp. They monitor my state or they monitor my movement. Me I close WhatsApp. I know the WhatsApp.
Let me send to email.
Email me. I'll go cafe. Go print the thing for paper. Come give me.
Okay, fine. I'll print it to you. I'll bring it to you.
Sariki, that's what I do. You understand? And the girls you say make I give you info. Me I link them up, give some radio station. So anyhow you want pick the movement, me I tell you. You understand?
I get it.
You give me the movement.
But that's for later. I need to find this guy and get the money.
Sariki, they talk, they chew your teeth. Sariki, relax. You are here,
I'll find a way to print it and get it to you so that you can track him and then do the action.
Do something small.
I knew it. That's why my hand is already in my pocket. I knew it.
Sariki, what? Sariki, next time you turn. Hey, Allah, Sariki. Wallah, you be boss too. Sariki, you be boss too. Hey, see, you do what? Sariki, you be boss too, I tell you. Wallah, hey, see, wallah, you no get side. The lawyers so they did, I say they be lawyers. You be right.
Oh, it's man. When you come here,
I want some brother man on there.
Listen, I've had a very long day. And I just want to rest, okay?
Oh, sure. I have long days, Sampa. I want to know what shower in Nadia. I have long day.
What are you talking about?
Now I got your attention. Not sure I know.
American.
I am talking about that Nadia girl. Girl nang in the shisha one. Only not some American.
I'm not interested. I just want to sleep.
Hey, Indobiando. And that mama's my baby. Listen, I give a majima. How can you even think of cheating on me?
I'm not cheated on you.
Oh, really? She brought me your bre. And now you're cheating on me?
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about? I am talking about that girl. That me girl langa no ide pono. That is the girl I'm talking about. Girl na I rent to fiam na to man. That is the girl I'm talking about. Nadia.
Why? Who's telling you about all these things?
Doesn't matter. Honest of phone me. Or phone when you pakwa kachema. Abeku, how can you even think of cheating on me?
Listen, my dear. I don't know what you're talking about. And sincerely, I'm not cheating on you.
Oh, really? All this while I catch him there kwa Abuja. Dami girl if you know nya Abuja. Girl if you know Osun. Oni nya Abuja.
dear, I'm not cheating on you.
No. You're not cheating on me.
Yes. Can I sleep now?
Okay.
Hello, Dixon.
Yeah, hello, boss.
Oh,
boss, I told you I'm working at it.
In fact, the owners are pressing me hard on it.
I know, boss. I know. Right now, as we speak, it's even the money I'm chasing. And I'm waiting for somebody to come.
We need to get it fast. You need to work very hard on this one.
Boss, I'll try. I've been fasting and praying lately.
So you have to do everything within your capacity to make sure that you get the money to us because the pressure is too much.
I went to see my pastor and then he told me to go and see Prophet Redemption and then Prophet Off Balance. There are also new prophets around the Kwabenya there.
I hear all that you are saying, but we need the money. This is company's money and it must be paid.
Oh, boss, please. I'm working. I hope to get... Spiritually, I've gotten the money. It just has to manifest in the physical and then we are fine. Spiritually, they are sorted.
Whatever that you are doing, make sure you do it fast. See you soon.
Thank you.
So how did she get to know about this? Was it your friend or something?
My friend? She can never do anything like that to me.
So how did she get to know? She's the only person who knows about this affair. She was the only person who was in my office when I discussed this issue. Why did I get entangled with you in the first place? You are so devious. So evil.
Come on, darling. Why are you even talking to me?
Don't touch me! In fact, I don't want to see you in my office again. I don't want to see you at all in my life again.
Come on, baby, we can work this out. I can reduce the money to 200,000. These wives. Now I have to find another sugar daddy.
Do you have any idea what it takes for me to be standing in the sun as the police officer and you're driving in this same sun? You don't fear God. You're under arrest.
Okay, come.
I say you are under... I am not that kind of police officer.
Hey, Chama. This is a language there. I can speak it very well. Eh?
Oh, yeah?
Something small for you.
Correct.
Why are you always shouting? Hey, what? What is it?
Hey!
Awesome! So. Oh, correct.
Just reciprocate. You know, we are two, and it takes two to tango.
Oh, Munche.
Patrol. Oh, different departments. I'm in a different department. We don't add up, patrol.
Oh, sir.
But in separate. I'm afraid ni so me say wa. Whatever. Okay,
yes, sir.
A patrol be munya pa. If I should write about me, assess it.
Very sure.
Hey! What's you doing with you? Why are you here? What's you doing?
I saw.
This is how we're supposed to be. Yes, we need people like this in this country.
We're moving around. You can be moving around with anything. Oh, wait.
Farouk, no. I know what you're about to say.
No, Lawyer Dixon.
Huh?
Lawyer Dixon.
What?
That is the guy for Lawyer Dixon, the guy. Who is lawyer Dixon? Lawyer now, lawyer. Dixon.
Oh, lawyer. Maybe it's his friend. I don't.
No. Come and see. Come and see something. Come and see. Is that not the face of the person? Look at the way he was dishing out the dollar. Dishing it. You. That is the money. The lawyer Dixon says somebody stole his dollars.
That's the man.
That is the guy. That is the guy.
Yeah. No, we'll deal with that later. You know something? Let me call you back. Yes, let me call you back. So you lost this case?
Sir, it's rather unfortunate. I tried all I could, but there was no way we could have won that.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Do you know what it means to lose your property to someone just because of an incompetent lawyer? In fact, you being so incompetent.
Sir, I understand.
You don't understand anything. I should have fired you a long time ago.
But sir, I have won so many cases for you.
I don't care. In fact, you're so useless like your gold-digging friend.
Excuse me.
You excuse me. In fact, you are fired. You are fired! Where's my gun? The next time I see you here again, it's going to be a bullet fire. Nonsense.
Who is there? She must be Nadia. Yeah. How may I help you? Actually, you cannot help me. You gold digger.
Excuse me?
No, excuse me. Husband snatching whore.
I will not have you come into my house and insult me.
Your house. Then you're so child today. You are sleeping with a married man and you couldn't even buy you a house, but instead rent this cheap thing you call a house, and you're here running your mouth, my house, my house. So who are you? Oh, you still don't get it. Okay. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Amponsa, and that makes me the wife of the man you're sleeping with.
Why? Right now, I'm not in the mood for any wife drama. If you have any problem, I think you should contact your husband.
The last time I checked, you went after him. You threw your broke ass self for him because you needed money. Listen, I'm here to warn you. If you don't want any problem, just pack your things and leave this house. Fifi Hade, because the next time I come back here, you wouldn't have it easy at all. Okay. Alright, so nice. The next time I'm able to Hade, what's the 30 into me faint champion? Nonsense. How you there? Bye. Hi there.
Kindly be gentle with my Doris glass, please. It's very expensive.
Sweet like honey, I tell you my body. No, bro, no, go
Shut up! Who young was the one? Sarah,
Me co-workers. And info.
No, we are not.
And info.
You
go for Yama. My one check on. Or mamma me.
When I out the as a
co-workers. I'm away from.
They are calling me.
We are one pie. We are calling this guy.
Miss Row, Monfanchami.
Miss co-workers no more.
Shut up, chair.
Hey, I'm away. Officer,
I'm
You see that some boom one and I told so and I told so if you fret
pressure
me ya mama am kotojan
and then what wrong me
baby am didi
masa my for me dey go yako
o dey yanko
what dey mu
na yanko jeni na
fami ko yanko
o dey jeno manu joni na obehu dey
me kon me slamu mamu kasam nam dem oba
ko o dey
besi na
yanko me no point yanko
hey what
Muni blah blah.
Your was on die, no coffee na meto mamuti. Yeah, no coffee and you marry a diana. No coffee suni if yaka. No coffee madam penis kuayaka.
Muni trans.
No coffee nyama area kete. No coffee you know I'm kete. No coffee ka
be slow. Unya bag bia wa yusu atwa man. Bag bia rejected bag bia me pe. Ai.
Emma bag na today.
Oh, bisa bag bia di ne magum di bag. Wo de bag bia benyaman bia manager.
Kito na kese.
Kito o kesi o do de be man bia me pe.
Okay, red and green and black.
Money, jai. Many a bless a crowdom. Me say bag beard bema.
Na hope bag.
She, me pe bag. Me di me gum. Me tukwai. Me trasio. Me trase. Me trase me kadie me hu achira wa. Wa be twane. Obeje di se me kwaya me lines. Oh, kwa mfimfio. Afide me kusa. Akwayo ba solo so a musician or tunyo.
Look o someone.
Adia wa ye no wa hu. Man susu sada. A wo hia me oni memma, utimi se memma grane. Am say eh, me kwade me ma hu me church member. Afede me hia na enkomodidie ma say ye hu. Hwe, wo mo grepo me. Me so me yusu adwen kase. Me no mo jina baby na me toje wo. Kenya sanka de beto me enye. Timi de maba. Ma fa me ho adwene. Me ko. Me ntrase. Emma me asem kase me to me.
Aina. Respect. You know say you be my protector. You be my teacher.
I know.
If you come out for my head top, you will like say the next thing I could see say them they use me for sacrifice. Oh, I know. Make you no let the devil come in. We for stand firm, stand together as one, unity.
Me and I'm chiro bibia na so we dia no odi adrubu because I met na opama enkrofo we san to chimia me ni mawie to dia meko.
If you go, I'm dead, I'm nobody. I dey take inspiration from you.
Che, we dia no odi. Bibi mint now. Enkrofo me
but thank God say you come alive, you come safe. How did you escape? What happened?
I didn't timidane. Only jai. I mean, Yanko Tamasam. So, woman, so me, mamma. No one seems to have any cassia. Me, I'm seeing in a baby needing como. Me no one more. Yet, no dinkomo says me bamba. Home, Namacola.
Lawyer the liar. Oh, hello. Lawyer the liar. Let me call you back. Okay, my boss. My guy. Hey, liar. Hey, my boss, how far? I'm okay. What brings you here? I hope you have good news for me.
Lawyer, we have good news for you.
You better have good news.
This is our boy. He's an artist.
Yeah.
His name is 1 Minute. He's a superstar. You should know him.
You look familiar. 1 minute. Oh, yeah. 1 minute. Okay.
He's always 1 minute. He doesn't waste
that.
that. Oh, no. Oh, that is why the name. Oh, is that not why the name? No. Oh, okay.
1 minute as you do it in 1 minute.
Yeah. No, I do convince people with my music 1 minute.
1 minute.
Sure. All right. So,
okay.
Here's the thing.
Guy.
I'm sure you should tell him.
Yes.
So what happened?
You know, as he said earlier, he's a superstar. So we went to the coded location where we were investigating our stars, you know, and we saw him stranded over there, and we were like, oh, okay, why not? We have a good lawyer. We should just bring him so you help him solve his case. Some guys blew his money.
No, don't worry about the cake. No. You see, sometimes when we are on a very serious issue, he uses cake in place of case.
That one.
Solve his cake. Nice one. So let's solve the cake.
Some guys blew his money.
Oh, blew money.
Some fake prophets.
Fake prophet. Oh.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
What is it?
You want to see the boss? He's not around.
How? His car is parked outside. You and I know he's there.
Oh, yes. The car is outside, but he himself, he's not here. Oh, it's true. I won't lie to you for anything.
Do you want to lose your job again?
Oh, no, not again. The more reason why I can't let you enter. Because he's not around.
Really?
Yes, really. He's not picking it.
Maybe because he's busy.
Oh, maybe he's busy. Oh, he's not there. It's true. He's not there. I won't wait.
No, at the same place you sent that blind guy to go and deceive them.
My friend, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Why? Sometimes do you forget who I am?
We know. We know, but we are not in the court.
But lawyer, that guy you
said. I said, watch your mouth. Gentlemen, sorry for your situation. So have you reported to the police?
Of course, yes, I did.
Good. We'll get them arrested. And we'll get them arrested. We'll surely prosecute them. Look, you see, it's funny how sometimes people take the system for granted and they think that the law in Ghana doesn't work, so they can do anything they want.
He needs his money back.
Oh yeah, you get your money.
Yes.
No. Oh.
Yes. So,
but you have legal fees to pay. The way people are negotiating percentages, you have legal fees to pay.
Oh,
now, that brings me to you people. How far with my case? My issue, how far?
Oh, researcher! 30 kilometers.
You don't have no problem.
It's 30 kilometers.
You're not supposed to be worrying yourself about this case. We are on it.
Every day you're in charge, but I don't see any progress.
We are on it. See, our work is the way we do it. Sometimes we just get up, we just go on road check, and then you see.
As police officers, road check. Are you back in the service?
Oh, no.
Never.
So how come you're checking roads?
Oh, you won't understand, okay? It's a procedure. We have to disguise ourselves. We can't just go in as police. We have to disguise ourselves. So we are at our road check, our normal disguise road check, and just
we saw him. You saw who?
Your criminal guy.
Hey, you saw that guy?
Yes.
Hey, I will beat the living hell out of that boy.
You stop, Boss, sorry, I tried stopping here, but she pushed me aside and just bumped into.
I told you I didn't want to see you again. It's over with.
So because of this fat little girl, you've been avoiding me?
Excuse me. I said it's over. I don't want to see you again.
Look, nobody uses and dump me.
What are you saying? Use, dump?
Yeah.
Between the two of us, who used each other?
Oh, she!
Hey, Sam, get out.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Are you really asking me that?
Yeah. You used me to get your car, to get your apartment. When did I get out of it?
Oh, you slept with me. That was what you got.
Oh, that. It was a mutual thing. It suits you, it suits me. Who go pay?
It sweets me, it sweets you. Who told you it was ever sweet anyway?
Well, the underlying factor is it's over with. It says catch them young. You know, I'm a very good man to get all the things that I give you. But you know, you can keep them, okay?
And you actually thought that if you had asked me to bring them back, I would have?
Oh, just like that.
I would have. I would.
Like it from the under of your feet.
That's why I'm not stupid, because everything is in my name.
Okay, bye.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye. Sweetie, let's continue.
If you can beat him, I will baby out.
We saw him, but he was gone.
So you
Don't
see,
say stuff like that. I'm emotional.
we are at the checkpoint, and then he just drove past, and we're like,
hey, he's driving.
And we stopped. Told him that let's check your documents. Before we could see, it was your guy. He even gave us money.
He gave us $.
Oh, so people have chopped my dollars too?
No, $10. He split the money into pieces. He gave us 10. It was when we looked at the dollar, we looked at the car, looked at the dollar, looked at the car. Then we remembered the lawyer Dixon.
And I remembered the picture you showed us of the guy. It was the same guy. Before I realized, he drove past.
very fast.
We nearly chased him, but we were on foot.
So if you had cars,
Yes.
you would have chased him.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy used my money.
See, that's why we tell you to pay deposit, so we can, you know, you don't understand. We need all these things to make the work perfect.
I'll kill this guy. Hey.
No, don't kill. John, let's quickly rush off so we can gather up how we can catch the guy. Lawyer.
You know what? We'll follow up on your case. I mean, these are my good allies. They will sort you out on it, and I just stay in touch.
No, lawyer, it's not. It's just.
So it's just what?
It's for the road, because now
This
it's like.
no, it's not for the road. Don't give. I'll give the road something. No, it's not for you.
This is a non-disclosure agreement, you know.
Nadia, we were here yesterday. There was no one at home. Where did you go?
Look, Redoche.
Okay, back to the matter. I think she has a point though.
Really? So you support the stupid move she did?
If you calm down for Christ's sake. Nadia here came out of her last relationship broke. She had nothing. Nada, zero, nothing. And it's only normal she's trying to play smart this time around, using her head. There's nothing wrong with that.
Oh my God, for once you have been sympathetic.
Oh, shut up you. Shut up. What pre-crowded though? What were you thinking when you asked him for 500,000 Ghana cedi?
Bisabiem.
And then you shame him, no. Eh?
I don't get you too. 500,000 Ghana cedis and you are yelling like I asked for $1 billion.
It's cedis. 500,000 Ghana cedis. Do you know what people do for people? Do you know? Go to Villaggio. I have a friend there. The man that got her the place, he's not even seen her panty. What's he hamu yedide? Siasem. You are so dumb. You talk without thinking. You are talking as if you suffered for the money with the man. Are you judging me? I'm not judging you. Hey, I'm just being honest with you. I am telling you the gospel truth.
Which is?
I'm saying what is right.
Which is?
The man has regretted ever dating you, and I'm so much disappointed in you. And you being my friend, I expect you to be smart. Have you ever seen that money before? Have you? Wait! Do you know what your problem is? You are just jealous. Me jealous? Yes, you are. Since that man got me this classier place more than your own, you've been acting this way. You are so stupid. You are so dumb. You don't think me. Don't even try. What's the matter? Stop it already.
Sam, I don't want to see Nadia in this office again.
Yes, sir. But, sir, is there any problem?
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see her in this office.
Okay.
If I find her in this office, you are fired.
Yes, sir.
Why? They broke up?
How is that any of your business? Please mind your own business.
Why are you acting like an angel? I thought you were my gossip mate.
Your gossip what?
Mate.
See, God forbid it. Everybody in this office knows that when information gets to you, it spreads like bushfire. Lady, please allow me.
Anyway, you heard what he says. Make sure that girl doesn't come to the office. If not, you are fired.
Gossip.
Where the guy pass? Where the guy? Okay. Corporal. Huh? You go this way. I'll go pass this way. We must catch the guy. Okay. Go.
Run!
Efia, you girls, we've been friends since when? High school. And we faced so many difficulties, but we didn't let any of that get in our way. Not then, not now. So do you know what you girls are going to do? You're going to get up, go to that room, sit, talk and trash this little misunderstanding between the two of you. Do you understand? Hello? I'm talking to human beings. Nadia!
You're innocent for what? Eh?
You stress, making us stress run like that.
The officer of
the
law.
you sleep in the cell. Stealing people.
Where's the money? Who told you that? Where's the money?
I have some of the dollars at home. Let's go. I'll give you dollars.
Are you sure?
Now, yes.
What dollars now on can?
Come, more dollars.
Next time, don't stress the officer of the law.
So, what's happening here?
Young man, what audacity do you have to ask policemen like us what's happening here? Man, don't want their own. I told you should have gone for this type of uniform.
Better.
This looks more original.
Come back. My name is Inspector Rodiako from the Ghana Police Service.
Oh, talk out, sir.
So, where are your ID cards?
Baby say crowd won't remove Myanmar fans kakra.
Oh, you see the cards, the ID cards, we were handful, so we left them.
I see.
Yes.
So which station are you both?
Station. So for now we are using Tema station. It's not like anything. You see,
remember the Merania, you can raise station.
So what's happening with him?
Oh, this one is a criminal.
Hey, I'm not a criminal.
Shut up, you're a criminal.
I'm not.
Why did you steal money
innocent.
from someone? He went to steal someone's dollars. And now we've been tracking him for so long.
Yes.
And the dream one is no, if you are to get police uniform, we can catch him. That's why we are wearing this one. Are you ready? I can find you.
No. Wow, Corporal. Why? We were police officers before this case came up.
Oh, yes, we were. But as of now, party, need to be behind. Tell you,
arrest them.
Yes, arrest him.
Yes, arrest him. Come for.
They said arrest him.
Now, let's move to the station now.
No, patrol, mommy. Boss. Boss, wait. You know me and Kay, and they are saying, Mama,
What? What's going on?
Carry her.
Look, fine. I don't have anything to do with your husband anymore.
Please, get out.
What?
I said get out.
To where?
Look. Get out!
What? Excuse me? What?
Carry her away. Oh my God, I made you. I want you. You cheap ass. Oh my head.
Yes, and never too high. A brand new one power. So you bear man as a what the fuck what to what is you. Rainbow Baba what but it's so I give it to what you know. Look of you.
Every time, aren't you the one who sent us to go and do the work?
And so you know you're not
because of your work we ended in jail. Now you are telling us every day, every time.
But you should have told me you are not legitimate, and I'll get a legitimate to do it.
Look at the way that guy slapped me. He was asking me for house rent. He said,
yes, it's a part of the requirement. Oh, yes, it's called for welcome exercise.
Oh, the slap very long.
You are lucky you are alive.
Are you still ringing?
Some people come out to call you. I'm telling you. You need to focus. You need to be serious and get yourself to be legitimate. I'm tired of this stress. I have traveling to do. Now I've come over to bail you guys. Look at you walking around with boxes as if you are porn stars.
Thank you.
Come on, enter the car and we're going to drop you off and get you something to eat. Smelling like...
Random music. I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Andy Obi, I have from the data. You guys in here, but too high. A brand new day, one power. So you bear man, as a what the fuck, what to what is you. Rainbow Baba, what it. But in the so I give it to what you know. Look of you, look, feel, it's what I mean. Look of you, look, feel. Random music. I be the mastermind.